Introducing first, in the red corner, the pride of Malapatan Sarangani Province, Israel, Tablingon. And the opponent, in the blue corner, the pride of MCP boxing team under the stable of Mayor Cyrix Pacquiao, Lucky, the Magician Himbayan. Atong Judge 1, si Jongjong Villamero, Judge 2, Nunun Villa, and Judge 3, Michael Rodriguez, and the third man on the ring, Bambi Nacionales.
Guys, alam po, malapit na magsisimula ang ating program.
As of this time, inubulang ng tubig.
Time of the first round between Israel Tablingon and Lucky Jury Himbayan. And also, I would like to thank to the master vlogger, Michael Apolinario, former WPO champion.
Don't forget to hydrate yourself. Inuman kayo ng water kasi ang panahon.
Next bout, prepare, Carlitos CG. Andaran versus kay Rich Malayon Knight. Time of the first round between Tablingon and Himbayan. Last word, Elvis.
Oh, hanggang sa closing. And it's our confirmation is off camera.
Second round.